So 125 years of service to the Delaware community. We've morphed from the Hebrew Charity Association to the Jewish Welfare Society to JFS. And over all of those decades, the values upon which the organization is based has not changed.
I think the significance of the longevity is actually the longevity. I mean, I don't know how many organizations have delivered service at JFS's quality and scope. Not only has it survived, but it's thrived for that long.
I think the tribute to JFS for 125 years is they've always been able to pivot to the situation at hand, designing programs to fit into what the community has needed over that 125-year period.
Our core values, they're key to our services, and having a door open for all people is really critical to our organization and to our organizational growth and the level of quality care that we provide.
JFS's work is also through the lens of Jewish values, which is our commitment to social justice, to doing the work that we do with kindness and compassion and with dignity for those who are in need.
It's a very family-focused treatment and set of services that we provide, and we don't discriminate between families. We want the entire community to be well.
You need the whole family involved for the best amount of care. And attachment's just another way to say love. And so if we can get the whole family to be able to show each other love, that child and that family are going to create a ripple effect that will impact other families or the people in their lives.
I quickly recognized that geriatrics and dementia care is not a solo endeavor. It's a team sport, absolutely, and it relies on multidisciplinary skills such as social work and counseling expertise that is available here at JFS, and the broad focus on the family.
If you don't take care of the caretakers can't take care of the community. And I hope that resonates with all the employees here.
JFS nurtures their staff and fosters an environment of learning and growing.
My wife and I were in a transition, and we had decided to continue to live at home where we've been for 43 years. We needed more help to stay home. And I heard about the Jewish Family Services. I called, I said, we can help you. And this is how it started.
I live in my country, Haiti. All people want to live in the country because the gangs kidnapping. They don't have any security in my country.
When I went into the hospital in November, I didn't have anybody in the state of Delaware at all.
While incarcerated, the officers came and got me on August 5th to let me know that my son was just killed. And I was fortunate enough where when I reached out to some organizations, they told me about JFS. And that's when I reached out to them and explained to them what was going on, and they were more than happy to help me and my family out.
It gave us a better feeling of security. That's important at our age.
Jewish Family Services help my family to get house, food, school, university. That's a good news. I'm very happy.
The caregiver is really helpful. The manager part of it's really helpful. Taking me to the doctor's appointments, making sure I have help when I need it.
They saved me from losing my home. They've been very supportive with everything that me and my family been dealing with. I'm totally grateful. If it wasn't for them, me and my family would probably be out in the streets right now.
The most fulfilling part of my job is the ability to profoundly and meaningfully help our families.
There was a refugee family that had just gotten in, and they were picked up from the airport, and I was standing in the hall. I can't describe to you the joy and fear in their eyes, and it was like, I just got to witness that. Like, oh my gosh, they're here, they're safe. We're gonna get them settled.
I think from an organizational perspective, I don't think there's any limits to where we can go.
JFS has expanded. We have so many more programs. Program development has been huge.
One of the biggest changes that I've seen is we've included telehealth as part of our kind of regular menu of services. That has reduced a lot of barriers to care.
I think we work together well as a team. Everybody is incredibly responsive. They're incredibly dedicated.
Everyone is passionate about helping our families. It's a calling. It's not a job for my team, and I'm very proud and privileged to work with everyone and the broader team at JFS.
I've just loved the people so much that have been here, and I have memories of people that were here 10, 15 years ago and wonder how they are and what they're doing. I would like to stay as long as I can, as long as JFS is happy having me at reception. I love it.
I've been able to say to a client, you know what, we have a current resource and you don't have to worry about this anymore.
We are so proud of what we have accomplished at JFS. In 2023, we impacted over 3,000 individuals. We had over 70 community partnerships, and we continue to be innovative and responsive to the needs of the Delaware community.
JFS can't do pretty much any of what it does without the support of the community. Without their support, without the support of our volunteers, we really wouldn't be able to accomplish all that we've been able to accomplish. It's essential.
JFS doesn't exist without support from the local community. It's not just financial, which is very important, but also all the volunteers and just the notoriety of letting other people know what we deliver and how we deliver it, and that we're a resource for everybody in the community.
JFS will relieve all your stress, because you know if they step on board, they will get the job done.
And I'd like to congratulate you for 125 years. Our best wishes for the good work you're doing in the future years.
Happy anniversary to Jewish Family Service for 125 years. They were a good group back then, and they still are.
We're so incredibly grateful for the donors and the support that we have that have stayed with us over the years, new donors coming in, people getting engaged with our mission and volunteering and providing that support that's so essential to be able to do what we do.